Okay, so you've created a brilliant landing page, sales page in MailerLite. It's all ready to go. How do you share that on social media? How do you share that sales page with people? This is how. So you're going to go into MailerLite. You're going to go to your site because this is going to be where it is. Let's go back to the test. We're going to click on overview because this is where we're going to find our link. Always click on overview. And the link that you want to copy is here on this right-hand side. This is the URL that you want to copy. So you're going to click on copied. We're going to open a new window. We're going to paste that, and that will open that page for you. So whether or not you want to put that in an email, whether you want to share that on social media, whether you want to put that on LinkedIn, on Instagram, as your bio link, that is where you find that link. So it's always in overview and it's always in copy. That's where you will find that.